Hi.
Hi, Morb here. Since a couple of you guys followed and chatted with me during the disassembly and build process and eventually the troubleshooting of my new PC, I thought I'd give you a little update on the process. For those of you that don't follow us over at Twitch, that's twitch.tv/level10gamers, you might have missed it. Basically, on Friday the 14th of last month, me and Dunphy started the disassembly and cleaning of my old PC, and after a couple of hours of grown-up Lego and pipe bending, flushing, filling and all that, we were ready to bask in the glory of all the RGB goodness that will be this computer when it's done. Sadly, the PC hardware gods were not happy with our offerings.
How about no?
I was unable to get the PC stable even for a little bit. It had random reboots and freezes and just... there was no error messages or anything that would suggest to a specific type of hardware. So after having tried the regular reseating the CPU, ran a couple of different types of memory configurations, ran mem test for 6 hours straight without reboots, weirdly enough, but that's a bootable thing, so that's different. Having tried that, I reverted to more unconventional means, such as threats, begging,
Nope. 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 No.
but again, that has proven futile. So I contacted ASUS, and after a lot of troubleshooting, we agreed that the board has to be borked and it has been shipped back to RMA. So right now, this is what I'm stuck with. Basically, empty chassis and some cable salad and a couple of pipes. But fear not, once the new board arrives, I will again start up the stream and we will build this, and we will not make it great again, because we don't want to. No, we will make it better. That's what we'll do. Alright guys, just a quick little update before I head off. So yeah, head over to twitch.tv and follow us there. It's /level10gamers, and you will be notified when we stream, and eventually the build stream will pop up.